What is going on YouTube? Jay here from MJTech. Today we got here a new brand of Bluetooth speaker, and this is called Tribit. The model is the StormBox Pro, and this currently retails for about $119 approximately. But I have to tell you, this is one of the, I would say, smallest with the highest quality that I've seen in a very long time, again according to the size. There's a lot of competition out there, just like with smartphones when it comes to Bluetooth speaker, but this one really sticks out quite a bunch. I mean, I would compare the quality to, let's say, something like a JBL speaker, maybe a Sony. This thing is very good for $120. I think it's quite okay. Let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. Well, first of all, on the side here we have some of the features. It has IP67 certifications, Bluetooth 5.0, and you can also pair it with another Bluetooth speaker, one of the same ones, and it'll give you that stereo sound for parties. Let me tell you, this thing sounds very amazing. You guys won't believe what comes out of this tiny little thing right here. It has superior sound, I just mentioned that, and a long-lasting battery. It has a 10,000 milliamp battery, in which you can also use as a power bank to charge your smartphone, and it comes with a codec aptX right here by Qualcomm, so that helps it quite a bunch as well. And on the back here we just have the model. This is the BTS31, and that's pretty much it here for the box. Let's go ahead and get it out. Of course, I've been testing it now for several days. So inside here we get a little QR code so that we can learn more about the company, and I think this is a warranty card as well, so that's very cool. We have the manuals, but nowadays who doesn't know how to pair a Bluetooth speaker? It's quite simple. So anyways, we have the booklet right here. Let me get a little divider, and here comes the unit. Again, you might see it a little bit bigger here because of my camera. I have it zoomed in a little bit, so for that reason you might see it a little bit bigger, but this thing is only about 7 inches tall, and the width here and the thickness is about 3 inches, so it has the same for each side. Towards the bottom it gets a little bigger. I would say it's more like a 4-inch. So here we have all the content that came inside of the box. It's just a little USB cable for charging, the manuals, and that's pretty much it. On the front side of the speaker we have the Tribit logo, and it has this cloth material mesh all the way around, which gives it that premium feel. On the top we have the volume buttons. This is the plus and the minus. Then we have a multi-purpose button right here in the middle. We get the power key. This is a battery indicator, so it goes by increments of 20%. And we got the XBass button as well as the Bluetooth button. So then on the back side of the Bluetooth speaker we have a little flap here, which is kind of uncomfortable to remove, and this has to be sealed when you're using it near a pool or near water. And so here we have the USB port for charging, and this is the one that you use as a power bank. And then we have the one for charging the speaker, which is USB-C, and that's pretty much all we have back here. Again, this is a 10,000 milliamp battery, and it's able to last about 24 hours with consecutive usage depending on the volume and such. So it has a little handle also for convenience, and towards the bottom here we have a rubberized material. So this Bluetooth speaker comes with a couple radiators. It has a 3-inch subwoofer. Like I said, it has the codec, some people say Apex, I call it aptX. So it comes with that codec as well, and has 3 speakers, I believe. One is a 25 watt speaker and 2 7.5 watt speakers. Like I said, some radiators, and the bass on this thing is actually quite tremendous. So to pair, all you really do is just turn it on here, and then it'll go into pairing mode like you see. So right now I did pair already with my smartphone. So if we go here into Bluetooth, we can see it right there, Tribit StormBox connected. Again, very simple. So now what I'm going to do is play here some samples. I have this thing right here so that we can read the decibels of the sound. I'll try to go as high as I can. We're gonna be doing non-copyright songs, so here we go. Well guys, in this particular sample, I had the XBass turned on, as you can tell right here. So all you have to do is press on the button and it'll get highlighted like you see it right now. So again, it's a very good speaker in every single aspect. I wish that it had a little bit more sound in the voices. Sometimes it focuses a lot on the bass and it kind of ruins the quality coming out of the voices of the music, but that's just a minor complaint. It's not something that you will notice easily. I'm pretty sure that if you get the pair so that you can get the stereo sound, this thing is going to be much better in terms of the quality coming from it. But I have to say that for a single speaker, this thing is quite amazing. I am very impressed. One of the best speakers that I've had so far in 2021. And of course, if I get something better than this, I would definitely do a comparison. But so far, this one stands out quite a bunch. I would say that it is slightly better than any JBL speaker that I've tested out there. I went to my local retail store, Best Buy. Sometimes I go to BrandSmart as well. And I just play with the speakers and stuff that they have. And this one is just absolutely amazing. A lot of these speakers, they lack the bass part of it. But this one here has tremendous bass thanks to the 3-inch subwoofer that we have inside and the radiators that come integrated as well. I gotta say guys, this thing deserves a solid 9 out of 10. When it comes to the weight of this speaker, it's about 986 grams approximately. So it does have a little weight to it. And when it comes here to the physical quality in terms of the mesh that they use and also all the rubberized material that we have around it, it feels very nice and solid as well. Well, let me know down below what you guys think about that sample that I provided. Do you think it's good? Do you think it's okay? Will you pass on it? Just let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more. Click on the bell icon and I will see you guys on my next one.